I'm okay, babe.
So guys, so let's say you want you're playing a simulator, let's say on Roblox, and you want an auto clicker. Well, this won't work. This definitely won't work on Fortnite. But yeah, you want an auto clicker on a simulator or something, and or for something else. You only need to go to the Play Store and search auto clicker. So here you go, and here's the first. Oh, never mind. The first result is the thing that you want. So this is the top rated and the most easiest to use. Easy, yeah. So here you just need to set it to OK, then click here on the clicker, then enable. It will say turn on this device with caution, as it may cause the system to hang. It will only cause the system to hang, okay? It will not make it will not put virus on your phone. So well, let's just don't go below 40. That's what I'll say. So if you have multiple targets, you can do that. So let's go Roblox. So here we are at Anime Fighting Simulator. Loading. So I'm already pretty much strong here, but here, so 1 point, yeah. So let's see, I'm just saying where's right now. So go to your auto clicker, and then let's click enable. Then there we go. So just equip that thing that you want to level up or train with. So for my case, it's power. What's happening around me? Okay, first, so here the blue thing, you can adjust this to go to your target. So please don't kill me, I'm doing a video. So you need to put this to your target. So my target is this rock, then just click here. You can also change this, so it'll go down to, this depends on your device. Okay, so I'll do 40. So now there you go. You can tell that this is not me, because if this is me, you see that white thing? Yeah, that's me, but this it's not me. So guys, you can also change the speed. So for normal it will be just like this, but with this one, it's faster. So going under. let's see how much. Yes. Let's try this. Oh gosh. Didn't change. So yeah. So you can charge your phone while doing this and sleep overnight. But if you're gonna do this on any other place where there's no safe zone, I suggest going to a VIP server or using another one.
I can hear your laughter coming waves across the shore. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. I can hear your laughter coming